Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Nomsa Myeni. I'm the founder of Sasalicious, Decadent Delights, a baking business. I do baking. I bake biscuits, cakes, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, anything that is baked, I do it. And I also do chocolate making. So I sell chocolates for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all those occasions. The business immediately after being retrenched in 2020 and after giving birth to my daughter, because obviously I had no work and I had a child to feed. So immediately I just thought, what can I do? And my passion came to mind, the passion of baking and the passion of cooking. So hence the business started there and there. You can get hold of me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 079 240 3330. You can also get hold of me on Facebook. My Facebook account is Sasalicious Delights. Also on Instagram, Sasalicious Delights. Hi, my name is Nomsa and I'm a township entrepreneur.